left as it is left child to coastal cross phenomenal. Its positive was promoted not to the its existence. Countier one feeling left that if the parent does not equals the child does not equals to none, then you will go for with
more son.
And if it's the child equals to none, then we will find the element of it. After that, we will find the element which is array main ranges. We have, and now this is if lecture does not is equals to post one, then we will print the that element that print as for them the child forms to this. Now it will check if the right child array right child of the parent that child of the parent registry is not equals to none. If it's not equals to none, then we will call again the in order function, and here the function will be called with the value of the right child of the parent, which is array parent home 7 top right arrows. If the right child is also none, right child is also none, that is not equals to none, then but if it's right child equals 12, not L, I get going not what of that. Cheryl Sean Calvin, you put in the in auto terrorism. This is okay. If not equals to none, then we will range in order traversal will be done, which is in order array parent right. And this way, the order traversal will go on. Okay, now let's solve this. Now I have to compile this program. Now one thing is that I have not okay, I will compile the program. Okay, she is testing count binary search tree source string boss string ln. Okay, so I will do one thing. Non-characteristic, it is null. If you write any amount, it is undeclared. So I will choose to and using a null characters fine instead of null. I will use null characters fine and string. Okay, and one thing is that once I have created when I have created the row count first in the main function, but also I have to give the null character. This is the null character. We're also trying to instead of null and writing null character in this way, or I do one thing. I will define the two null characters so that each time I don't have to replace it. Define null as define null as null character. Okay, so see, I don't know whether as the August yes on 4 years so that is has the here okay. See first to go to line number void insert in index there is in the semicolon should not be, so that's why we have to go to line number 19. Bottom here and here the semicolon should not be there, comma should be comma. Okay. So after that, what other error is coming? Too many arguments to function and too many arguments to function insert. Okay, that will not come now. And just jump to BST node. Printed. BST node data will be printed. So, which is at line 65. So, if I go to line 65, here array parent is the a particular that structure tree and which value will be printed now data of that node will be printed. So that's another. Next is that some nulls I undeclared AI is less than array index. This is line number 21. So if I go to 21 int AI already is doing fast here and void insert AI. So I is very not the considered others in time. Okay. Yesterday both the set of this we define not extra. It's better so the present none by character itself, otherwise however it is showing. So I will vote for that. That's everywhere the non setting. There is I will write this there. Here also removing this one now if I was touch. In that point, yeah,